Hi everyone. We're going to go ahead and make this slingshot. You're going to take your wooden dowels out of your bag and find this wide tan rubber band. You're going to line your wooden dowels up and take the side that is uneven. Your dowels are not going to be perfectly even, so just take the side that's uneven and wrap this rubber band as tight as you can get it around those dowels, okay? Then you're going to take your long piece of leather cord. You've got 3 pieces in here, 2 short ones and 1 long one. You can take your long one and pull your dowels apart so they make a V. Okay, then you're going to hold the end of your cord so that there is a tail here. Okay, with those dowels apart. See, there's a tail right in here. Okay, I'm going to take my long cord and I'm going to wrap it around the middle of this V 4 times, and you're going to want to make this really tight. Pull on this cord, okay? It's leather, it can handle it. Pull on it and make this really, really tight. This is going to keep this slingshot in the open position so that you can, pull that slingshot back. So once you've wrapped that 4 times, go ahead and go around the outside horizontally 4 times. You can do 3 times or 4 times. You have that rubber band on there, so that's already pretty secure. What you want to secure is this middle. So go back up vertically. Hope this is getting in the camera's frame. 4 times until you've reached the end of your leather and you've met back at the middle. Look how I don't have very much. I'm going to unwrap this 1 time so I have a little bit more, because now I'm going to tie a knot with the tail that I left in the beginning and the leftover from the end. Okay, tie a knot nice and securely. Make sure that knot is nice and tight. You want to make sure this is all wrapped really tightly. That's going to hold the slingshot open into its V shape. Okay, you can see that. Then you're going to take your short piece of cord and you're going to leave a tail here and wrap 4 times. And tie a knot once you get to the end. Okay, make sure that knot is nice and snug and tight. Double knot it. Then you're going to take your second piece of short cord and do the same on this dowel. Okay, just do on both dowels. Then you're going to take your 2 black, these are actually long hair ties. Okay, and they've already got a knot in one end. You take both of those and your leather pouch, just leather rectangle. You're going to take the side that does not have the knot and feed it through the hole of the rectangle, the leather pouch. This might be tricky because this hole is a lot smaller than the thickness of this hair tie. So just wiggle it through, use your teeth if you have to. Okay, once you have that through, take the knotted end and pull it through that loop and pull tight. Do it on the second side so that it looks like this. And take your dowels and slip the loop of the side that was already knotted for you over the top of each dowel, top of the slingshot. Okay, and these 2 are actually going to meet together. See how I scooted that together? You're going to scoot those together on both sides. Then you're going to take your small rubber bands and wrap those very tightly above the black hair tie and push it down so it's nice and snug. It's going to kind of just hug this together so that when you pull on this, it's more likely to keep this hair tie in place. So do that on both sides. So then it looks like this on both sides of your slingshot. Okay, you're all done with your slingshot. Now you're going to take your cellophane bag and you're going to put your little plastic golf balls in it. On your instructions, I might say ping pong balls. Nope, it says golf balls. Never mind. We started with ping pong, but these were smaller and we're going to work better. And then you'll have curling ribbon in here. You might want to ask for help to tie this on here because sometimes this takes more than 2 hands to get this on here. Just tie a knot. Okay, double knot it, and then take your scissors. This is curling ribbon, so you just take your scissors and just curl the ends. You've got your slingshot set to go. Hope you have fun. Thanks for coming.